This morning with Spargo. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2050?
Is that the Vitioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's
Unbelievable!
Fire on the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike into Vitioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to see the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio.
A shocker for Andrea Vitioso. Marc Marquez now has
Bam me back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
From pole,
Is that the Vitioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's fire from the Ducati. The high side. The tarmac run off quite a few times there.
At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around.
Pushed into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Vitioso. Marc Marquez now has
Bam me back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett's.
The high side. Down he went. All the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike.
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Bam me back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Bam me back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales.
Happy Siren, the battered bruise.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Down he went. All the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to
Push from pole.
Is that the Vitioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's fire from the Ducati. The high side. Quattararo. A shocker
From pole.
Is that the Vitioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's fire from the Ducati. The high side.
And Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Down he went. All the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag. And Beckett's Quattararo. Brilliant start from
Marc Marquez now has badly back straight into Brooklyn's Von Rossi and Rins with Vinales there. He's wincing a bit.
Dovizioso is ready with the name. The checkered flag is out.